without damaging. Easy to restore. Parting bead in the middle might be a little more stuck in because that's really stuck in a groove, which might have been painted in quite severely. To stop it vanishing on me. Top of the wheel.
So it's got the lead weight on it, the other end, isn't it?
Yeah, here we are. Other end. Out she comes. Top of the sash cord. That's so on. Over the top. There we are. Do that. You can see I've got knots in it. So, a bit like a granny knot, but round the top, and then back round under it. Classic knot to tighten itself up, so it doesn't ever pop off. Ready to go. This is not my best. You're good at this, aren't you? Clearance at the top. And the beader might be moving slightly. That's quite free. I'll take the staple. You have to even off the rough of the wheel, don't they? Which is quite high up. Okay. One more. One off. Hang on a bit. If I've got that wrong, I'll have to put it out. We'll see. I think we're good. That side.
Yep. Other side. Great.
Bits. Should work. Sash to rub against the staff bead on the inside, which should frictionless movement of the window against the staff bead. And it won't rattle. Oh, should fit. So, yeah, the staff bead, which is pretty much decorative, puts a little bit of pressure against the draft exclusion. So if I push that too much, it's not going to open and shut. I can tell that I'm within the boundaries of how much pressure I want. So I'll put the pin in, get it roughly where I think it should go. Then I'll leave the pin there, and it's reasonable. While I organise the others, similar kind of strength of tension, not too much. Obviously enough to keep drafts out, not vibrate. I'll do that all the way around before I knock all the pins truly home and put a bit of filler over their heads and paint over the top. Have them all in a rough guide of suitableness. Make sure everything's alright. At this stage it's still adjustable. I'll make sure everything fits. Got that one rode itself out there, didn't it? See where it wanted to be. Make sure it all slides perfectly nice all the way round, because you've got pressure from the other side as well. So it fits and works nicely. And that, when it's all fitted, works beautifully smoothly and nicely draft proof. These already had 2 coats of paint. Got a nail punch, a little hole. And finish them off a bit better. So, I'm not sure the insulation's up to brilliant. It's very good. It's better than government regs. water coming in as well. Good for that. Because the old sash windows go rotten at the bottom, don't they?
Mm.
Exactly where they go rotten, whereas this makes just a slight millimetre of a gap. It's draft proof but stops the water getting in. Should stop it coming up the inside of this as well. Get that straight. Oh, right. Major improvement on a Victorian sash.